2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue. Inhale up. Continue 5 times. Exhale down. 6, 7, 8. Hey, namaste. कैसे हो आप सब? I hope you guys are very well and practice yoga every day. So today we are going to practice super duper exercise for reduce back fat and arm fat together. Okay, this is a very effective exercise. And one more thing, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. You can get a lot of new videos for weight loss, fat loss, thigh fat, hip fat, belly fat, chest fat, back fat, lot of videos. You just go to the playlist and you can see a lot of videos. So again we are going to practice super duper exercise. Please watch carefully, and you have to practice 3 sets and maintain your low calorie diet. Definitely we can get result after 2 weeks. Okay, let's go together practice today's session. Exercise for reduce arm fat and back fat together. So now we are going to practice for reduce back fat. Okay, those who have a lot of fat on your back or on your arms, we can practice together arm fat and back fat both together. Okay, so this exercise is very effective. Please watch properly and practice accordingly. Okay, let's go. Inhale, raise your hands up, both elbows together and open your chest. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your both palm down, please, and relax your shoulder. Just relax. The next one is again raise your hands up, fold your elbow and sideways up down. Continue. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Again, both hands in front of your mat. Interlock your finger. Raise your hands forward and upward and backward. Yes, that's great. 1, 2. Continue. 3. Normal breathing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, the next one is both hand back side. Interlock your finger and continue. Inhale, exhale, continue. Try to touch your both elbow together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Okay, come to please child pose. 5 times we are going to inhale cobra and exhale child pose. This is a very effective for reduce back fat, also neck hump, whatever. The back side exercise is very effective for you. Let's go. Inhale cobra, chin down. Yeah, that's good. Exhale, come to child pose. Nice. 4 times more. Come on. Inhale cobra, open your chest. Exhale, child pose. Beautiful. Last 3 times more. Come on. Inhale cobra. Exhale, child pose. Last 2 times. Inhale cobra. Exhale, child pose. And the last one, inhale cobra. Look up, chin up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, child pose. Relax. Very good. So next one, you come to cat pose. Then inhale, raise your right hand up. Exhale, slowly. Yeah, continue. Inhale up. Continue 5 times. Exhale down. Relax your back. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. The last one, inhale up, exhale down, and if possible then left hand up, open your chest. Yeah, as much as possible you have to back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Okay. Some change your side. Inhale, left hand up, please. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale, down. The last one, inhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, down. And if possible, then right hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Stand up, please. Come close to the middle. You can take support by both hands. Yeah. Inhale, center, exhale, down. Continue. Inhale, center, exhale, down. Slowly, slowly. Inhale up, exhale, down. Very good. Inhale up, exhale, down. Very good. Inhale up, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. The last one, inhale, exhale, come down. You have to press more. Yeah, relax your back. Very good, very good. Nice. Okay. So if you in your house, if you have the dumbbell, you can use, or you can use the water bottle also. So right now I'm here, use the block. So we are going to some exercise for reduce back fat. Let's go. Come on, 10 times. 1, very good. 2, like this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax. Come center. Legs together. Both hands in front of your chest. And same way, open your chest. Continue. 1, very good. 2, this is a very, very effective. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The same way, both hands in front of your chest. Again, raise your hands up, ups and down. Now we are going to exercise with weight. This is very effective. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Okay, so now we are going to some stretching, relaxations. Okay, nice. Some slowly release, continue your rotation, your hands. Yeah, that's great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both palms over your chest, twisting right side, left side. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Legs together, sideways, up, down. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax.